Welcome to Good Father House Design, where every home is not just a place to live, but a vision of the life we hope to build. And maybe one day, a home like this will be yours, a space filled with peace, light, and moments that truly matter. Today, we're exploring a collection of modern tropical homes that blend clean architecture with open landscapes, where every design feels fresh, elegant, and deeply connected to nature. From the front view, each home presents a strong yet calming presence. Clean white walls, tall glass panels, and balanced proportions create a modern look that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Surrounded by greenery and open skies, these homes don't just stand on the land, they belong to it. The entrance feels bright, open, and full of promise. As we move into the living room, the space expands beautifully. Wide glass openings frame stunning outdoor views, gardens, pools, even distant mountains, turning nature into a living backdrop. Sunlight fills the room effortlessly, reflecting on soft tones and modern textures. The atmosphere feels light, spacious, and incredibly relaxing, like a place where stress quietly disappears. In the bedroom, everything slows down. The design becomes softer, more personal, yet still open to nature. Large windows invite morning light and fresh views, creating a peaceful environment that feels both private and connected. It's the kind of space where you wake up feeling calm, rested, and inspired. The kitchen carries a clean and modern energy. Bright surfaces, organized layouts, and natural light create a space that feels efficient yet welcoming. With views extending to the outdoors, even simple moments like preparing a meal feel more enjoyable and alive. In the dining area, openness becomes the highlight. Surrounded by glass and greenery, every meal feels elevated by the atmosphere. Whether it's a quiet breakfast or a gathering with loved ones, the space feels warm, elegant, and naturally inviting. The bathroom offers a moment of quiet luxury. Minimalist design, soft lighting, and natural views create a refreshing retreat. It feels clean, calm, and thoughtfully designed, a place to reset and recharge. The laundry room continues the home's sense of order and simplicity. Bright, functional, and well-arranged, it turns everyday routines into something smooth and effortless. Even here, light and space are never compromised. And finally, the backyard reveals the true beauty of these homes. Expansive gardens, clear blue pools, and open landscapes create a breathtaking outdoor experience. Some views stretch toward mountains, others open to lush greenery, but all of them share the same feeling: freedom, calm, and connection to nature. Thank you for exploring these beautiful homes with good father house design. If this inspires you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue this journey with us. Because every dream home begins with a vision, and may you be given the chance, the strength, and the blessing to build a home of your own, a place filled with comfort, joy, and lasting memories. See you in the next story, the next home, the next inspiration.